Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage, and in today's video we're going to be working on the Cadillac. And if you haven't seen last video, be sure to check it out. It was part one pretty much of the Cadillac, of all the damage, everything that's going on with it. But without further ado, let's go to the junkyard and pick up the quarter panel. These are some clips from the previous video. If you haven't seen it, link down below.
Yeah, hey Doug.
Yo.
Would you do me a huge favor and take Chris back to his shop?
That's he got my hat.
Doug said, do you have his hat?
Alright guys, I just got back from the junkyard and I found this listing. My buddy just sent it to me with all the vehicle information, and this thing seems like it's full bolt-on Z85, and I'm about to pop up the build list on the screen. So it's a 2016 Cadillac. I see a 700 horsepower. I don't know what that's about. Let's keep going. It had some kind of interesting wrap on it. And now to the good stuff. This car's a 2016 Cadillac, 39,000 miles. That's when it was for sale. 8-speed auto transmission, 600 wheel horsepower, carbon fiber package, Recaro seats, data recorder, Borla exhaust, intakes, downpipes, E80. It's on E85 flex fuel, upgraded fuel cam, upgraded fuel pump, valve springs, all the arms are Eibach with it lowered a little bit, steering wheel, carbon fiber trim, and PPF on the front. All right, so let's start off by taking off the side skirt and the trailer hitch on the back so we can get it ready for the frame machine. If you got this far into the video, be sure to hit the like button. It helps the algorithm out, and subscribe down below if you want to see more content on the ATS-V. All right, guys, so we got the ATS-V inside the shop, and right now we got to get it ready for the frame machine. As y'all seen, we already got the quarter panel in the back from the junkyard. Picked it up today. So right now, side skirt's already off, and in order to clamp it down to the frame machine, gotta get access to the pinch welds, to pop the side skirt off, and then move on from there. All right, next up we got this trailer hitch. We gotta uninstall because we're not gonna be using it. Alright guys, so the trailer hitch is officially off. What you have to do is loosen the exhaust, take the reinforcement bar off. This is a flashlight I used to look in there. But if you look, there's holes, and then there's these. This is exactly how it mounts it on. So we got it off, and now it's ready for the frame machine. Start it up, do a little cold start, see how it sounds, and then drive it up to the rack over there. So let's get it going. Alright guys, so we're about to make a pull real quick because the battery is jammed. So we're gonna have to make a pull, release the tension. Alright, check it out. I pulled it out. The battery's somewhat free. You gotta unscrew this bracket and it should be good. guys, this is a quick little update on the Hellcat. Lots of progress. Fenders painted, quarter panels painted, everything's painted, all the wide body pieces. He's just doing the power steering rack, and then it's time to put it all together. So next video is going to be epic. Stay tuned.
All right, we pulled up to the pump. We're very low on fuel.
First time for everything, boys. Let's fill her up. Ethanol, 7.7 gallons.
All right, we'll do 7 gallons.
'93 octane, gonna mix it up in there, do E60 blend, E60 mix. We're gonna hit the streets. E16, it's reading the ethanol content, so we're gonna take it easy until it goes to E60, and then we're gonna do a pull probably. Yeah, it's going up fast.
Is it really?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Oh my gosh. Run it back one more time.
Nah, dude, that sucker was spinning at 70. Holy shit.
This is all it takes to make 2 grown men giggle, bruh. Some E60. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Bro's breathing heavy, bro. Bro's sweating.
It's scary, dude. Oh shoot, let me put my seatbelt on.
Oh, safety always comes first, guys.
That's gonna kill you.
Just go.
Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I hope to see y'all guys in the next video. That thing's gonna be a ripper, so subscribe to see it, and we're gonna unleash the beast in the next video. So subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.